Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. My name is Regan. For my returning viewers and also to my new subscribers, I surely appreciate so much for your great support always. So now, Kenyans, remember watu walitaka kurecall their MCS and their MPs and also their senators. But for now, as we know, IEBC is fully constituted and fully functional. It has the commissioners and also it has the chairperson, who is Erastus Edung Ethekon. For now, remember IEBC imekuwa na pressure because the Kenyans wants to recall those MPs wenye wamepotea njia. And for now, IEBC has been forced to come out and to release a press release, whereby this press release, the subject of this press release is that public clarification on party list, reallocation and right of recall. So for us now in this video, I want us to look at the right of recall. That's now where the thing is. I want you to listen. So before I dwell in on that part of right to recall, ladies and gentlemen, as we always do, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, take a second, hit the subscription button, and again ensure you like the video. Otherwise, thank you so much for that subscription and again for that like. So now let us go straight up to the part of right of recall, because tunajua so many people walitaka kufanya nini? Walitaka kurecall their members because wanaona hawa MPs wanafanya nini? Hawafanyi kitu yenye walielektiwa kufanya. So for now, let us go straight up to the right to recall members of parliament and county assemblies. And under that issue, IEBC is saying like this: the right of citizen to recall elected representative is enshrined under Article 104 of the Constitution. The Commission stands ready to facilitate this process without fear, favor, or hindrance in accordance with the law. We offer the following clarification. The first clarification IEBC is offering is that A, for members of county assembly or the MCAs, under the MCAs they are saying a statutory framework is in place and the commission is actively processing petitions for recall where validly submitted. So under the MCAs there is no problem. Let us go on the side of the members of parliament, both National Assembly and the Senate. Remember, our parliament is in two, or the legislature of ours usually has the upper house and the lower house, in which we have the two parliaments. One is the National Assembly and the second we have the Senate. So people walitaka sana kurecall, especially the MPs wale wenye wamepotea. So let us listen what the IEBC is saying under the members of parliament in both National Assembly and the Senate. And they are saying like this: under the members of parliament, National Assembly and Senate, they are saying like this: there is currently no enabling legislation defining the grounds and procedures for recall. This legal gap arises from the High Court's ruling in Katiba Institute and Transform Empowerment for Action Initiative versus Anthony General and other KEHC 4648. So in that case, provisions with the Election Act 2011 were declared unconstitutional for being discriminatory. While Parliament subsequently amended the law to address the recall of MCAs, no such amendments have been made regarding members of Parliament. I want you to note those words. They are saying, while Parliament subsequently amended the law to address the recall of MCAs, no such amendments have been made regarding members of Parliament. So it means this Parliament of ours, this 13th Parliament, walijua. That's why walifanya tu amendment ya kuaddress the recall of MCAs only. They didn't do on the side of members of parliament. I think you understand very well that sentence. Inamaanisha hao wenyewe saa hii wawezi kuwa recalled for now vile tunaongea saa hii, haiwezekani. Why? Because there was no amendment yenye ilifanyika on the regarding of the recall of the members of the parliament. And now the IEBC is continuing saying like this: the commission has formally submitted recommendations to parliament urging the enactment of a clear legal framework to govern the recall process for members of National Assembly and the Senate. We remain hopeful that this will be addressed to uphold full spirit of Article 104. Remember, Article 104, it gives the citizen the right to recall their members, either MCA, either MP, or either the senator. So up to now unaweza pata that kumbe hawa watu wenye tunaona kwa parliament, especially the MPs, wanajua kitu yenye wanafanya. And that's why unapata wengine wanaongea tu for the in case waongee. Cause wanajua there is no legal framework whereby they can be recalled. And that's why unapata IEBC is coming out to say what? IEBC is coming out to say that they will ensure that there is a legal framework to govern the recall process of the members of the National Assembly and the Senate. So for now, that's now the breaking news coming in. So wale MPs wenye wamekuwa wakifanya all these things zenye haziendani na the law ama haziendani na kitu yenye walichaguliwa wafanye, wanajua kumbe kitu yenye wanafanya. Kumbe hakuna hii law yenye iko in place whereby for now they can be recalled. There is no such amendments zenye zilipitishwa. So for now hao wako tu watafanya kitu yenye wanataka, because hakuna hiyo law yenye saa hii imepitishwa ati wanaweza kuwa recalled. Even if there is Article 104 of the Constitution saying that you can recall, for now haiwezekani, because there is no a clear legal framework. Na ujue these members of parliament walipitisha tu ya MCAs peke yake, in which now the IEBC is telling us that while parliament subsequently amended the law to address the recall of MCAs, no such amendments have been made regarding members of parliament. So how wanajua kitu yenye wanafanya? And that's why now IEBC imejikuta mahali penye sasa wanashindwa what's really going on. Because for the people, they want to recall this kind of members of parliament wenye wamepotea njia na wamepotea barabara. Because kuna the members of parliament walichaguliwa tu vizuri, but for now wamepotea. Hawajui kitu yenye wanasema leo hii na kesho wanasema hile. Unashangaa, hii ndio kazi ulichaguliwa ufanye, sio hiyo kazi yenye tulikuchagua ufanye. And that's why people are willing to do anything in order to recall all this kind of people wenye wamefanya nini? Wamepotea njia, including the members of parliament. So for now, I have seen the reactions coming from people from this on this matter regarding this press release which has come from nini? From IEBC. So I want to read a certain reaction here saying like this: the claim that there is no legal framework for recalling MPs in Kenya is unfounded. The Constitution Article 104 enshrines the right to recall MPs, and the Elections Act 2011 provides a detailed procedure for initiating a recall, collecting signature, verifying petitions. Remember, up to now, there is some of the petitions zimesha already nini? Zimesha kuwa submitted to IEBC. Now these petitions, hata IEBC wenyewe walituambia that they are on the way of looking into them. But for now, again, they are coming out to tell us that there is no legal framework of recalling all this kind of the MPs wenye nitakana wafanye nini? Wakuwe recalled. So for now, people are angry. They are saying that this thing, hii ni mchezo yenye wanacheza hapa. Because these MPs huwa wanapitisha laws zenye huwa inawafaidisha wenyewe. Ama huwa sometimes wanakosa kupitisha some of the laws ndio hao wenyewe wakuwe nini? Wakuwe in safe place. And that's why walipitisha hiyo ya MCS. For now, MCS anaweza kuwa recalled very fast. But now, let us talk on the side of the members of parliament. They cannot be recalled up to now. Why? Because IEBC is saying that there is no legal framework. So you can clearly tell the game which these MPs usually plays. Wanajua kitu yenye huwa wanafanyaga. So up to now, those are the now news coming in as per now. What's your opinion? Drop your opinion at the comment section. Otherwise, thank you so much for great support. Consider subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing. Let's meet in another video.